So good. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't think that's coffee. Hey, I'm Megan, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and I'm going to show you a Frosé push pop. Super trendy. The Frosé, it's nice and light. Sometimes it's called Frosé, frozen rosé. It's a boozy dessert. It's a boozy push pop. It's perfect for the summer. Some may say it's rosé season in the summer. Real talk, rosé season's all year long for Megan Mitchell. All year long. I like my pink wine. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, like, and once you subscribe, you can click this little bell button. I hope I'm pointing to where it is. Hit some button, it looks like a bell, and then it will let you know when there's a new video of this spache coming at you. Also, what's Thrive Market? If you don't know what Thrive Market is, it's an online grocery store that has organic and non-GMO products, and the biggest, best part, wine. The star of the show today is the rosé. Nice thing about Thrive Market wine is there's no additives, it's clean, it's affordable, and you're getting drunk. Just kidding, drink responsibly. This recipe starts with a bottle of rosé. It's done, that's the recipe. Strawberries. So when you hear of rosé or when you think of rosé, it's usually rosé blended with strawberries. Sometimes I've seen it with watermelon, which I think would be real good. But this is the classic. Just like how your Mima used to make it when she made frozen rosé push pops. I mean, we all grew up with them, right? If you don't have a super powerful blender, you can have the strawberries, which will help break them down a little faster, but this guy's powerful. If the strawberries are super sweet, you don't need to add sweetener, but I just like to squeeze this bottle. So I try and put maple syrup in every recipe I make. But you can use your preferred sweetener. You could use honey, you could use stevia, you could use Swerve, which I like that name. Lemon zest. This is a big lemon. The lemon adds a little acidity, cuts some of the sweetness. This is one tool I have in my kitchen that I use almost every day. If you don't have a microplane zester or a zester, it is a game changer. Another one of my favorite tools, a citrus press. Come on, big lemon. Why is this always so hard? Maybe because it's so high. All right, let's blend this up. Ooh, do you ever get that ringing in your ear? I heard that's your ear cells dying. You'll never hear that sound again. What? I can't hear you. What? Okay, you just want it to be blended. If you want it super smooth, I didn't think it needed this, but you could always strain it. But this blender really pulsed it up, so you're not going to get a little seed in your tooth, God forbid. And then the foam will die down after a couple minutes, so just let it chill. I'm going to give it a taste. I'm really excited. Ooh, it's like strawberries and rosé, just deliciousness. I feel like I'm eating my fruit. Okay. This is so beautifully not creepily laid out at all. This is so perfect. This is how I always lay out my push-pops. These are push-pop molds. As you can see, you fill them up and then just go. You don't have to do them in this. I just like them because they stay kind of slushy, and then you could do them in popsicle molds. You could do them in cups, whatever works for you. Ooh, it's a little wide. No, I think I can do it. I know I can do it. What's going on back there? Nothing. And it comes with these little tops. Careful not to overfill them, like I have before. This is it. I'm gonna pop these in the freezer, and then I'm gonna grab some ones that are already frozen so I can show you what they look like. Here they are. They frozen. They're frozen. I know how to speak. They're frozen. She's already tucking into them back there. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. I took too big of a bite. Tastes like rosé and strawberries. But see how it's kind of slushy? It's the perfect summer dessert, but you could have it all day. I don't want this just to be for dessert. You okay? Okay. You like to eat in the shower? I wouldn't recommend eating this in the shower, but you could eat it on the beach and your backyard. I'm not going to start naming places you can eat this. You can eat it whenever you want, but it makes a great fruity summer dessert. My frozen rosé, my frosé push pops. I hope you make it. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell me your favorite boozy desserts, and you can find all of the products that I use at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Bache? We can put in parentheses. Yeah. I think you should just start Megan's dictionary. Lettuce, Bache. This recipe starts with a bottle of rosé. Ooh, that's nice. It's not even cold, and I'd drink that right back. The way your Meemaw used to make it when she was making rosé push.